Okay, now we talk about the rules. As I have already written the structure, again I have to write M is R, yes, plus before other word, yes. Example, he is dancing now, dancing now. Our rule को कुरा गर्नु पर्दा present continuous कहाँ use हुन्छ? As I have mentioned that present continuous is used when the thing is going on at the present time or at the time of speaking. Rule number 1, we talk about the some adverbials like now, then, still, yes, at the present, yes, at the time, at this same time, like this. There may be other words which can represent present continuous, just like I am teaching you English grammar now. Next example, he is still sleeping. So you खाली example हाम्रो present continuous हुन्छ र present continuous structure मा के हुन्छ? Subject plus am is are plus verb form plus other word. अनि rule मा पहिलो हामी के adverbial याद राख्ने हो? Now, then, still, at the time, at the present time, at this time, like this. Clear? यसलाई लेख्ने फटाफट. So, some adverbials like now, still, at this time, at the present, at the same time. यो सब भयो भने present continuous. So use हुन्छ र यो सब नै use हुन्छ है. So we have to learn these words. र अब यो मलाई मेटाउनु पर्छ है मैले. Okay. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2, look, listen, hurry up, hark, stop, wait. In the same way, we can use just like done plus V1 other word. Then after subject, am, is. Here also. Next. So example for this, look, he is dancing. Listen, they are singing songs. Wait, the truck is coming. Don't make a noise. baby is sleeping. Hurry up. We are getting late. So these are the examples of rule number 2. So rule number 2 talks about when we get imperative sentences in affirmative or negative, we have to use present continuous, just like look, he is dancing, listen. They are commanding words. Yes, they are also known as imperative sentence, just like don't make a noise, hurry up, wait, yes, come here, go there, like this. When we find imperative or commanding words, we can use present continuous. We must use present continuous because at that time there must be something to happen or there must be something to be happening. Yes, write down. Images are plus before other word. मैले के मेन्सन गरे यस कि present perfect सँग present continuous आउन सक्छ. When we think that the action yes has taken place and there is the result, just like he has cut his finger, he is crying now. उसले आफ्नो हात काटिसकेछ है. अब हात काटेपछि के हुन्छ? उ रोइरहेछ है. सो यो हिसाबले completed action. अर्को Sia has painted a picture everyone is appreciating her. अब सियाले आफ्नो पिक्चर एउटा पिक्चर है पेन्ट गरिसकेपछि र प्रत्येक जनाले उसको प्रशंसा गरिरहेको छ है. यो हिसाबले एउटा यो प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट सँग प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस को युज हुन्छ र त्यसमा अब अझ धेरै सेन्टेन्स बनाउन सक्छ. ठीक छ. सो अब हाम्रो नेक्स्ट टपिक हुन्छ प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट है. सबैले लेख्ने फटाफट. सिम्पली प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट भनेको के हो है? त्यसलाई हामी भन्नु पर्दा कुनै पनि एक्सन है, कुनै पनि एक्सन जुन सकिसकेको हुन्छ है एट द टाइम अफ स्पीकिङ, or we can say in English, yes, the action which has just completed or the action which has finished at the time of speaking or at the present time is known as present perfect. Perfect means सकेको कुरा है. पर्फेक्ट को के हुन्छ? सकिसकेको. त्यसको वर्तमानमा कुनै रिलेसन नहुनु नै पर्फेक्ट हो. पर्फेक्ट भनेको वर्तमानमा रिलेसन हुँदैन तर उले प्रेजेन्ट टाइममा उले अचिभमेन्ट बताउँछ, रिजल्ट बताउँछ. प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्ट भनेको रिजल्ट हो. whether you are failed or you passed, it doesn't matter, but this is the result. Yes, so result बताउने काम present perfect हुन्छ. Just for example, we have already completed simple present and present continuous. Yes, हामी already सकाइसकेछौँ. यसको वर्तमानमा रिलेसन यतिकै हो कि रिजल्टको रूपमा, अरु केही छैन. त्यो भविष्यमा जाँदैन, पास्टमा सुरु हुन्छ र बोल्ने समयसम्म सकिसकेको हुन्छ है. ठीक छ. सो एउटा यो एक्जाम्पल हो र प्रेजेन्ट पर्फेक्टको कुरा गर्नु पर्दा हामीले यसमा धेरै कुरा छलफल गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र यसलाई हामी के गर्छौं, भोलि अझ डिटेलमा छलफल गर्छौँ र अहिले तिमीहरूलाई म के वर्क दिनेवाला छु। वर्क भनेपछि त्यो मोबाइलबाट नै पाउँछ होला एकछिनमा है, र त्यसपछि हामी के गर्छौँ आज क्लासलाई होल्ड गर्छौँ है। इजी छ।